Well, hello, Theology class. Welcome to online learning. This is so much fun. I hope you're enjoying it. It's going to be a whole new ball game. So, I did send I sent you all an email explaining that we will try to do a Google Hangouts on Monday at 11 a.m., so our normal class time. So please check your email and then you can respond to that Google Hangouts. I know that Zoom will probably work better, but we're going to start with Google Hangouts because I had everybody's email, and then from there we can move forward. So my goal is to have less lecture and have you watch videos and you actually be able to just have our class time like normal for about 25 or 30 minutes, and then we won't have to worry about you trying to watch videos and me trying to make videos. We can just do it, and I think it'll be a lot more fun. We can play Kahoots. We can do normal stuff. We may be even able to do quizzes. That way you don't have to write so much, because I know all your other classes are going to have you doing writing. So I'm going to try and mix it up so that way you don't have to constantly write for every assignment. However, for this week, since I didn't know if it was actually going to work for us to be able to meet online in a video call, I have given you some assignments. So if you pull up your grade link, you'll see that the first assignment is reading Erickson. It's reading 6 pages from 270 to 276, and you're going to answer 3 questions and 3 sentences each. So it's just a total of 9 sentences. That is not due until Wednesday, so that's due April 1st. Then the other assignment this week is your personal prayer and journal based on spring break, and then responding to what you've done over spring break in a prayer. So that's the 200 words for the journal, 100 words for the prayer. That's due on Thursday the 2nd. And so this is all on GradeLink. And then last thing this week is the second half of Erickson, which we're going to do pages 276 to 280. And then there are 3 questions that you need to answer with 3 sentences each. So my goal is that you don't have to do this every week, but that we'll actually have class time, and it will be more like a normal, like when we were meeting in person. If we can all meet online, that would help everybody out, and there'd be less writing for everybody. So as you watch this video, please make sure that you have internet capabilities, and it'd be awesome if you can jump on a video call at our normal class time, which is at 11 a.m. on Monday. So I will be sending you another email, probably reminder about that, and then I'm also going to use the teacher pages on GradeLink. So I'll show you what that looks like here for me. I think you're looking at my screen. So when I go to GradeLink here, it should log in. So if you need your login, please let me know, because I have it. And so when you go to log in, obviously you won't be able to log in like me, because you don't have my login number, but you have your own. So if you go ahead and do this, where you'll see it is up here, right here. It says teacher pages. I'm clicking on that, and you guys will only be able to see your classes. And if you click on Christian Theology, I already have a test number 1. As you see, it's called test number 1 is up, and it's a John Piper thing. You can download that and watch it just for fun. It's not actually part of our homework. I was just a test. And then also a YouTube video that we were watching, I don't think we ended up watching, about Jesus' humanity and divinity. So if you want to watch those for fun, just to test it out, that is how the teacher pages work. So I can give you all kinds of different stuff. I'll put the links, like to this video, will be on this. So if you got to this video using GradeLink, then you know where this is at. And then this will be where I'll put the Google Hangouts link or Zoom or whatever we do in the end. And I'll put the kind of our schedule. I'll put the other assignments on here so that way you see that. I just haven't done it yet. They're in the normal assignments page. So if you click on that, and you will see that for Christian Theology. So it'll be like this, and then when you click on grade sheet, you will see which ones you have. So that's kind of how that works. Yeah. So I'm testing out the technology. On my math classes, I just use the whiteboard here and do drawing. So I'm going to be doing stuff like this, where I write it out, and then we'll kind of go over points, and it's really cool because it does all these fancy stuff. So we'll have different things, what we're talking about. So again, if you need a reminder, I'm going to write on here what we have due for Wednesday. So this is for 4/1. We have Erickson, and this is page 2 270 to 276. And then on 4-2, you have your journal and prayer. So the good part of this video is you can pause it if you need to. And then on 4-3, you have Erickson, pages 276 to 280, and the response. Okay, so both of these have a response with those 3 questions, okay? So, hope that makes sense. We're going to try this. I'm going to try the whiteboard. We're going to try Kahoot through here. It's going to be fun. Super excited. So make sure you check your email, and we're going to try and Zoom and meet together in class online on Monday. Okay. Please email me if you have any questions. Mr. H is out. See you later.